In this video, we've covered a ton of information. We looked at the Node API, and we looked at how we can interact with nodes to display them and to manipulate them. We looked at adding custom data to nodes through a custom table. We looked at granting access to particular nodes for particular users. And we created a new node type and added a field formatter to that node type. From here, there's a lot of things you could do. First of all, it would be good to look at other implementations of the hooks that we used in this module. So you can take a look through Drupal core and do searches for implements and then the name of the hook, and you should find several examples of every hook. If you're curious about node access, then explore the ACL module a little bit more. And finally, a good exercise would be to create a new module that generates a node type that uses other kinds of inputs that we didn't use in this example. For example, checkboxes and select inputs. And when you're ready, go ahead and move on to the next video.